Want to turn your apartment into a smart, stress-free space? These viral Amazon smart home gadgets do the thinking for you, automating lights, locks, and everyday routines with a single tap or voice command. It's convenience, comfort, and control all in one sleek setup. All products are linked in the description below. Movie night just went mobile. This HD portable projector brings the big screen wherever you are, complete with vibrant colors, crisp full HD detail, and rich sound powered by Bose. It sets itself up automatically, adjusting focus and alignment in seconds. You can stream your favorite shows or games straight from Google TV or your phone. Compact, stylish, and powerful, it's your cinema, ready to go anywhere. This clever heater doubles as a cozy retreat for your furry friend. It keeps your space perfectly warm while giving your cat a toasty spot of their own. The built-in air filter freshens the air as it heats, and it runs whisper quiet, ideal for bedtime comfort. Stylish, safe, and smart. It's the ultimate all-season upgrade for both you and your pet. This clever heater doubles as a cozy retreat for your furry friend. It keeps your space perfectly warm while giving your cat a toasty spot of their own. The built-in air filter freshens the air as it heats, and it runs whisper quiet, ideal for bedtime comfort. Stylish, safe, and smart. It's the ultimate all-season upgrade for both you and your pet. Turn your backyard into a mini resort with this inflatable sofa-style pool. Its unique design lets you lounge comfortably right in the water. Perfect for parties, family fun, or simply cooling off on a sunny day. It inflates easily, packs neatly when not in use, and adds instant summer vibes anywhere you set it up. Comfort and fun, all in one float-friendly setup. See your doorstep like never before with this sleek wired video doorbell. It captures crystal clear 2K footage day or night and lets you talk to visitors instantly through two-way audio. Its smart detection knows who's there and keeps you updated in real time. Always connected, always clear. This doorbell brings next-level awareness and peace of mind straight to your front door. Mornings just got smarter. This grind and brew coffee maker turns your kitchen into a mini cafe. It grinds beans fresh every time, so your cup always tastes rich and bold, no pods needed. You can brew just one mug or a full carafe to share, and even control it with your voice. With adjustable grind levels and brew strength, you're the barista in charge of your perfect morning cup. This isn't just a lamp, it's mood lighting powered by AI. Packed with addressable LEDs, it creates flowing color effects that dance across your room. You can tell it what vibe you want, and it designs the lighting for you. No remotes, no hassle. Sync it with your music, snap a photo for inspiration, or just say the word to your smart assistant. Your lighting, your mood, your command. Who's at the door? You'll never have to wonder again. This smart video doorbell gives you a crystal clear 2K view from head to toe, day or night. You can talk directly to visitors, get instant motion alerts, and even trigger a built-in siren if needed. It works wire-free or wired, connects to your Wi-Fi, and keeps your home in sight and in your control wherever you are. Light up every beat. This audio reactive party light transforms sound into vibrant color that moves with your music. Whether you're hosting indoors, on the beach, or in the rain, its rugged waterproof design can handle it all. You can sync multiple units together, match the vibe to your playlist, and control everything straight from your phone. Wherever you go, Lightbox brings the energy to life. This isn't just a charger, it's a showpiece. Designed like a sleek miniature car, this 3-in-1 wireless station powers your phone, earbuds, and smartwatch all at once. The rotating MagSafe charger lets you watch videos or make calls hands-free while it juices up your device. A soft ambient glow adds style to your desk, and built-in safety features keep everything cool, fast, and perfectly charged. Let your windows think for themselves. These motorized blackout blinds open and close with just a tap or a voice command. They're made from durable, waterproof vinyl that blocks nearly all light while keeping out heat and noise. You can set schedules, group multiple blinds together, or control everything from your phone. The built-in battery lasts for months, giving you effortless privacy and comfort every day. Here's a clever little gadget that takes the hassle out of hand-washing delicates. This mini portable washing machine uses ultrasonic cleaning to gently but effectively remove dirt from underwear, socks, and other small items. It's lightweight, rechargeable, and folds up for easy travel, perfect for camping trips, dorms, or hotel stays. Just tap the button, drop in your clothes, and let it handle the work in minutes. This sleek toaster looks like it belongs in the future. It features a full touchscreen display where you can pick your bread type, set the browning level, and even defrost or reheat with a single tap. The wide slots handle everything from waffles to bagels, toasting them evenly every time. It's made from stainless steel, easy to clean, and designed to make your breakfast routine effortlessly smarter. Here's a kitchen essential that makes baking so much easier. This electric hand mixer packs 6 speeds and a quick burst button for when you need a little extra power. It comes with traditional beaters and a whisk, all stored neatly in a snap-on case so nothing gets lost. The bowl rest design keeps it steady between mixes, making cleanup and prep totally stress-free. This advanced security system gives you complete, intelligent coverage around your home or business. Each camera features triple lenses for wide and detailed views, with 360 degrees rotation and auto zoom that tracks movement seamlessly from one cam to another. The system records continuously, even at night, and stores everything locally. With AI-powered detection and smart video search, you'll never miss what really matters. Meet the little robot that never lets your home feel empty. This smart companion rolls from room to room, keeping watch and keeping you company. You can video chat through its camera, and it even follows you around with AI tracking like a curious pet that listens and learns. Its crystal clear 3K camera captures every detail, day or night. And when it's tired, it drives itself back to recharge all on its own. Breathe easy every time you walk into the room. This compact air purifier quietly works behind the scenes to clear out dust, pet hair, smoke, and odors. Its 3-in-1 HEPA filter traps 99.97% of tiny particles, leaving your air crisp and fresh. At night, switch to sleep mode and it hums softly like a whisper. Powerful yet peaceful, it keeps your home feeling clean, calm, and comfortable. Movie night just got a serious upgrade. This portable projector turns any wall or even your ceiling into a giant theater screen. With crisp 1080p clarity and rich Dolby sound, every scene feels alive. Its built-in gimbal lets you tilt and project from almost any angle. No tripod needed. Autofocus kicks in instantly, so you can just press play and enjoy the show anywhere you like. Lighting just got a serious upgrade. This smart torchlier floor lamp fills your room with customizable color, warmth, and vibe, all controlled by your voice. You can tell Alexa to dim it, change colors, or match your music with vibrant rhythm sync effects. It even lets you adjust 3 lighting zones separately for perfect ambience. Sleek, modern, and easy to set up, it instantly transforms any space into your personal light show. Meet the gadget that makes virtual meetings actually feel real. This 360-degree conference camera captures everyone in the room with sharp 1080p video and crystal clear audio from up to 18 feet away. Its smart tracking automatically focuses on whoever's speaking, so no one's left out of the conversation. Just plug it in and start your call. It's like having your own film crew for every meeting. Folding laundry just got futuristic. This smart machine automatically folds and lightly irons your clothes in seconds, giving you neat, ready-to-wear results with zero effort. It detects fabric types on its own, adjusting for shirts, pants, or towels for the perfect finish every time. The compact modern design fits easily into any home. You just load, press start, and watch the Foldymate do the work for you. Who needs a bulky tape measure when this tiny laser tool does it all? Just point, tap, and get instant measurements up to 98 feet with amazing accuracy. The bright OLED screen gives you clear readings, and it recharges fast with USB-C. You can even switch between feet, inches, or meters in seconds. It's sleek, pocket-sized, and perfect for DIY projector, a quick game of chase with your cat. Fresh air meets modern style with this sleek ceiling fan and light combo. It's ultra quiet, energy efficient, and easily controlled by remote or app, so you can adjust brightness or speed without leaving the couch. Choose from warm to cool lighting and 6 different wind levels to match your mood. The reversible motor works year-round for comfort in any season. It's smart, stylish, and surprisingly easy to install. Keys are officially old school. This NFC Wi-Fi smart lock lets you unlock your door with just a tap of your phone or even your voice through Alexa or Google. It locks automatically when you leave and unlocks as you approach, keeping security effortless. You can grant access to guests or check door activity right from your app. Sleek, waterproof, and built to last. It's the future of entry made simple.